Last year, the Toy Industry Foundation helped over 3 million toys travel into the hands of deserving kids. Kids in hospitals and foster care. We provided the magic of play to kids growing up in poverty and those whose parents are miles away on military assignment. This year, we ask you to join us in raising $25,000. Your support will help toys make their way into the arms of 150,000 more children this holiday season. One amazingly beautiful smile at a time.
With each toy, the child knows they matter, that someone cares.
Just $1 gets toys to 6 kids in need.
We can't reach our $25,000 goal without you on our team.
Join us and fund our project today.